Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a compact 4K camera drone that's revolutionizing the way we capture our adventures. We found this product online and added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a lightweight drone that weighs in at less than 249 grams, which means you won't have to worry about registration in most countries and regions. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, allowing you to take it along for any outing, whether you're hiking in the mountains or enjoying a day at the beach. Now let's talk features. First and foremost, the Mini 3 Pro comes equipped with a stunning 4K camera capable of shooting video at 60 frames per second and capturing 48 megapixel photos. This advanced camera system features dual native ISO and an impressive f/1.7 aperture, ensuring that you get high-quality imagery in various lighting conditions, whether it's bright daylight or low-light scenarios. One standout feature is the true vertical shooting capability, which is perfect for social media enthusiasts. The redesigned gimbal rotates 90 degrees, so you can capture portrait shots without compromising image quality. This is a game-changer for anyone who loves to share their adventures on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. The Mini 3 Pro also boasts an impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes. This extended airtime allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture breathtaking footage without the anxiety of a short battery life. Plus, with a maximum ascent speed of 8 meters per second, you can get that perfect aerial shot quickly and efficiently. Safety is another critical aspect of the Mini 3 Pro. It features tri-directional obstacle sensing and the Advanced Pilot Assistance System 4.0, OPAS 4.0, which provides unrivaled safety for flying in complex environments. This means you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone is equipped to avoid obstacles and navigate tricky situations. The DJI Mini 3 Pro also includes a range of intelligent features designed to enhance your flying and filming experience. You have options like Focus Track, which allows you to keep your subject in focus, and Master Shots, which automates the creation of cinematic sequences. Additionally, the Quick Transfer feature makes sharing your footage incredibly easy, allowing you to get your content onto your devices in no time. For those concerned about visibility, the Mini 3 Pro comes with the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display. This means you can enjoy crisp viewing even in direct sunlight, which is a huge advantage when you're out in the field. So, who is the DJI Mini 3 Pro suitable for? It's perfect for both beginners and experienced drone pilots alike. If you're someone who loves to travel, document outdoor adventures, or create content for social media, this drone offers the perfect balance of performance and portability. It's also great for hobbyists looking to step up their photography game without diving into the complexities of larger, more cumbersome drones. In practical use cases, you can take the Mini 3 Pro on your next hiking trip to capture stunning panoramic views, use it during family gatherings to record memorable moments from above, or even employ it for real estate photography to showcase properties from a unique perspective. The versatility of this drone makes it a fantastic tool for various scenarios. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.